Andrew, I think what he's really doing, he's setting up himself to lose the next election come 2025, wherever there.
Mr. Margolin, there are some political points for you to score off of this nonsense that the ruling government party is putting law.
This man nail it, guys. And lick a nail on the head with what me I go talk about. Please put a like and leave a comment. I've been saying this for the past few days. Where is the PMP? Where is Mark Golin? We don't hear nobody come out and say nothing. I wonder if all of them people are the same, guys. Guys, what do you think? All of them is the same? All of them is the same, because this man, me not hear nobody a come out and defend certain things while go on. Even the 80 and the car seat thing, etc. I don't hear nobody come out, or I don't know, or the whole of them people are the said thing. But I don't want to talk much. I couldn't listen what the man here say. Only take 5 minutes on the time and listen. You understand? I'm not about politics or who win or whatever, just who can lead the country the best way. Listen what the man here say. It make a lot of sense, guys. Leave a comment and like.
Mr. Margolin, me not hear you, man. Me not hear you, man. We want to give PMP one term, you know. I make them, all of them something are being rescinded, revoked, repeal, move them. Margolin, me not hear you, man. Watch out. Failing to bring motor vehicle to a full stop where no traffic sign is posted or constable assigned. You understand? No traffic sign not there, no. So the government them know say there are particular place where sign are supposed to be placed. You understand? So them are go ticket you. You see what I say? Them are go ticket you. Failing to bring motor vehicle to a full stop where no traffic sign is posted or constable assigned. You want them to say about those people? Watch out. Look on the market people them right now. Watch that one. Sitting or traveling are permitted person to sit or travel with goods being transported. So the market people them will have them market load on the truck or in the truck and I travel with them goods. Driver get ticket then no. So the people they now can transport them goods. Because let me tell you how marketing go right now. 10 different somebody are going to market for one truck. You understand? 10 different people, I see them caucus bag, you know. So everybody has some particular string where them use and mark them bag. So when everybody reach a market and everything come out, everybody go look for them string on them bag. You understand? Just like when they have coffee bush, we have bring out hundreds of bags of coffee. I see them caucus bag, everybody just going to go look for them particular string. So the government has said right now, if the people and them goods are left on center mass got told, the driver are catching a problem for that. You see how low the government got? So the people then can't transport them goods. So a person pay $10,000 worth say from center mass or we run one bush at center mass. If you come tomorrow and got told, maybe a 2 and for fear. You understand? I pay $10,000. So the person have to go send the goods you know and go take different taxi to go to town, you know. We don't want about wicked government more than the one we have right now. There is nothing, never, the government they do be ever come out and say nothing on it. But look on the little people that were gone to know, the little Aki man them. Me used to pick Aki. So you want them to say the Aki man them way? Go pick Aki now, them can't depend the van with the Aki again because the Aki van transport goods they know. So if the driver have the work at them pan the so we're going to bush, go pick Aki. If you make money, if the driver have the work at them pan the van back right now, you might go get fucked. Jesus Christ. We don't want about diabolical government more than this right now. We don't check this. Alright. May I tell you. Using motor vehicle to tow a broken down or disabled vehicle. $10,000 that, you know. So, me can't break down again right now and call my bedroom to go and tow me. Because my bedroom I get fucked. $10,000 like a 5-hour hold. You want a more wicked government more than this? Mark Golden, where they Mark Golden? We don't hear you. You understand? So this design on for the rich alone. And the people them have record. So record man go start get whole heap of money now because all police are on record. You see? Yes, a whole heap of police are on record, a buy record. Half man a drive it. So bam, they take away your vehicle, them call them driver and come take it up and carry it a port. I be a fuck we are going in the country right now. This can't be real, brother, mama. Sorry, this can't be real. Your vehicle can't broke down. And you call the bridge if you can tow you. All you get 5 minutes for the yard. You have to call a record and pay 120 and 25,000 because sometimes the record don't live near you. So the man I say, alright, at 10 miles from where you're there, or 5 miles, this will be 150 or 120,000. Just to come take your car off of the main road. You understand? When you see logic you are going, when you see folk where you are going, tell me say the government don't need to come out of power for your duration of time and make one next ruling party rule and make them see the folk where them are do. Because sometimes nobody we can't see the folk where we are doing it, you know. And when we do one side, we see the folk where we are do. And we are going to block up before the guns to come back here now. You understand? So the government in the power and the folk we need to go back in the opposition. You understand? I not tell a lie still, I keep them in Jews. Because when them in the opposition, you hear them. You understand? PMP now do a fuck in the opposition. A fuck with PMP I do. We not hear them voice, we not hear them. When JLP was in opposition, you hear them strong, like how them in the power right now. So I still give them 10 out of 10 for that. I swear to you, I can't lie, I can't deny. PMP now do a fuck. Because all them fuck with my goal is to the whole. I score political points for whatever time they call election. Let them axe off a stick. But I be a fuck where you go on, I tell you. Me people look where you go on. The little market people them. The little market people them where you plant them food. We are on a bush, on a chuku to Ross. And call a truck man and 10 of them go on the truck right now. Them can't travel with them goods. There's the truck man in a fucking problem. We don't look on that. That fuck up. Jesus Christ have mercy. I'm going to reach alone. You see about money them all over to give them. You see I be a fuck where I go on a Jamaica in general. Yo, that's why I see some people over embassy want left the fucking country. The country now develop and down where it go. You understand? Former Prime Minister Bruce Golden come out and talking already. And ruling people are bashing man to tell the honest truth. So because he was a part of the party, they say fuck with. Boy, may I tell you, who don't know what you news, who don't know where you're going. Who don't say I be a fuck where you're living at. The people don't give a fuck about it. Who don't see it. Jesus Christ, look.